Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking through exactly how to transfer your crypto from Gemini over to Metamask. Now, Metamask is one of the most useful and universal cryptocurrency wallets out there, and Gemini is one of the easiest places to buy crypto. So if you buy crypto on Gemini, how do you actually move that to Metamask? Well, that's what this video is going to show you right here, right now. Now, before we dive in, quick note on safety. I personally recommend using a VPN at all times when making any kind of crypto transactions. And you can find my personal pick down in the description below, along with a coupon code that'll score you a free 49% off or a free 3 months, depending on which you prefer. So that out of the way and VPNs on, we can move forward with transferring some of our crypto over to Metamask. So heading over to our portfolio here, you can see we have a few different cryptocurrencies in our Gemini account, including Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin. Now, if you don't know how to get crypto into your Gemini account, check out our video on that, which you can find right up here. But let's say we want to transfer our Ethereum off of Gemini onto Metamask. Well, how do we do that? What we can do is go over here to transfer, withdraw from Gemini. Obviously, we want to withdraw our Ethereum, press continue, transfer to. So here you're going to have to get your Metamask wallet address. And how you do that is by clicking on your little Metamask plugin guy up here, going over to the Ethereum mainnet, copying your address up here, and then pasting that right into Gemini, pressing continue. All right, for amount, I'm going to go 0.03 ETH, or about $91. We'll press continue. And here's a summary of our information. Okay, we're moving 0.03 ETH from Gemini over to Metamask. Here's the date, and here is our Metamask address. We'll press withdrawal, and they're going to send you a 7-digit code to your phone to authenticate you and make sure that you are who you say you are. Once you enter that code and press submit, your transaction will be initiated. Now, it might take a couple of minutes for that to show up, but we can just check in our Metamask account to see if those funds have arrived. Now, under activity, you'll be able to see any new transactions here. So like I said, might take a minute or two, but I'll be right back once that has hit my Metamask account. All right, so a couple minutes later, as you can see, that 0.03 ETH has arrived in our Metamask account. And from here, we're able to transfer it, spend it, and use it on whatever we would like to. Now, we've got a whole host of videos on things that you can do with crypto once it's in Metamask, so make sure to check those out, and I'll see you over there.